Good morning. DJ Stocks here. It's Wednesday, January 14th. Early morning here. We got up to give you guys a report. Give you a report for the month of January. We're halfway through. Let me bring the music down. And we'll talk about finances. We'll talk about money. We might even talk a little bit about this stuff. $89 an ounce. It's up $3 already. $89 an ounce. I tell you, gonna hit 100 before Valentine's Day. Gonna be worth more than $100 an ounce before Valentine's Day. Mark my words. Mark my words. Get yourself some precious metals. This stuff is value of this stuff is going down. But anyway, we had a great day yesterday in the stock market. Even though the stock market was down 500 points, we still made $7,800. Yes, $7,800, smackaroos. We lost some money on some stocks, but we made some too. So where did we make our money? We made our money on Google, $2,500 on Google, and $5,300 on AMD. The only problem is we're still $12K under on AMD. AMD's like this. It goes up and down, up and down, up and down. So we got a ways to go before we break even with AMD. Where else did we lose money? We lost money on Meta, $1,600 on Meta, and $1,900 on Microsoft. So there's where the Dow hit us, right? The 500 points on the Dow. Nvidia kind of peculiar the last week or so. It's been going up pennies. It used to go up dollars at a time. Now it's transitioned that to Google. Google's the one that goes up $2, $3, $4 a day, every day it seems like. So if you jump in on some Google, please. I mean, if you want to make some money right now, jump in on some Google. So where are we at on the month? As I said, we're at the middle of the month. And if you've been listening, we've raised our goal from last year. Our goal was $60,000 a month was our goal to make in our portfolio. This year, we've risen that to $80K. Our goal for each month going forward for 2026 is $80K. And where are we at? We started January at, let's see, 1435. We are now at 1481. So we're almost 45K out of the 80K, and we're gonna keep moving. We've got the Netflix earnings report coming out, and then at the end of the month, we got SanDisk and Visa, and maybe even MasterCard, I believe, coming out. So those are our new purchases this month: Visa, MasterCard, SanDisk. And, in December, we started getting ourselves some Netflix. So those are the four new purchases that we've made in our portfolio. And maybe I'll give you, here's kind of a little picture of our portfolio, guys. Check it out. So if you can see, it's small print. We got AMD, we got some American Express, we got some Chevron. We've got our money market fund. We got some Google. We got some Robinhood. We got some Meta, Microsoft, Netflix, NVIDIA, Palo Alto Networks, Palantir, SanDisk, and Visa. And you can see we lost we made $7,800 yesterday, and overall we're still down 11K for our holdings. And if you follow our channel, you know we don't like to sell anything at a loss. We only sold one stock last year at a loss, so we're pretty steadfast at trying to we make money before we sell anything. Always want to be in the green before I sell anything. So there you go. There you go. So that's what's happening with the portfolio. I hope I'm giving you guys some ideas, some investment ideas. Get yourself some ideas and get on the stock market train.
All aboard! Tickets, all aboard!
Watch out! Stand clear! The doors are closing. Get on the train to wealth and riches with DJ Stocks here. Every day we're telling you what's going on. What did we do yesterday? I did make some trades yesterday. Let me see if I can find those. I believe I saw them come across. Here we go. Here's our confirmations. We sold 100 shares of Alphabet. We bought some American Express. We sold, I think it was 150 shares of SanDisk. Taking our profits on SanDisk for now. And we also bought some Visa. So those were our actions that we took yesterday. Sold Alphabet, bought American Express, sold SanDisk, bought Visa. So in a nutshell, that's what we did. Portfolio seems to be getting bigger as we added. I mean, we've had this opportunity with the credit cards now that Mr. T's been threatening to limit interest rates and also trying to limit the swipe fees too, I guess. But anyway, I don't think, we'll see if that happens. I don't think it's going to get through Congress. And in some ways, the stuff that we've got, it's they don't deal in high FICO score people. American Express is pretty resilient, pretty upper class. So the limiting of the interest rate not going to impact them all that much, but you never know. But we're going to do a real with these credit cards. We're hoping that it's just overreaction of the market, right? That's the other thing that we do here with day trading is you're looking for overreaction. Stock market always overreacts both ways. So we're trying to take that deep dive down on American Express and Visa, buy into it, ride it up a little bit, and then dump it. So that is the approach for those. We're not buying long term. We're just gonna dip in and dip out, make our money, and move on. And we'll hopefully we'll make some money on that. I think we will. So there we go. We're well past 50% of our goal, halfway through the month. Anything can happen though the rest of the way here during the month, but we'll see what we can do. And come along with DJ Stocks, learn about day trading, learn how to make some money in the stock market. It's pretty easy. Just have to have a little nest egg that you can rely on. So far this year, we're up 2.57% for the year. So we started at ground zero. We've already got a 2% profit this year on the portfolio. Last year, it was 39.5%. Yes, 39.5%. Isn't that nice? Wouldn't you like to make 39.5% on your money sitting in the bank or in your investment account? Well, come along. We'll teach you give you some ideas, all free of charge, not charging anyone for anything. So come along, and If you made it this far, hit that like button and subscribe, because it matters. Every time we drop a video, you'll get a notification and you'll get our stock tips free of charge. Over and out. It is DJ Stocks. Keep making money, folks.